Talk to me about marketing. What type of marketing do you do to drive business?
So we do a lot of SEO work. We put a
Yep.
lot of work into our website. That's always, a big thing with me is I always have looked at it as we want to be found when someone's looking for us. I've tried things like billboards and like certain things that haven't really worked,
Yep.
because I think it is more about just being available when someone's looking for you is kind of how I perceive it. But also we have a full-time salesman. So, we have that. He's going to different businesses and calling on different people all over on all these different cities. So you have someone full-time looking, constantly trying to sell towards that.
Yep.
And then it's a much longer play, but biggest thing is our service. So like our customer service, when I have a lot of 5-star reviews coming in, it seems to be around the time that we're getting busier and busier. And I think you get a lot of people that are happy will tell their friends, they'll use you again. Yep. There's all the positives that come from that. And like, that's kind of the snowball. Cause like in our first year or so in a branch, it's never really just like, we don't really get somewhere and it's just like gangbusters right away. Yep. It's really more of a gradual process. And the better your service, people are going to tell their friends. Right. And they're going to use you again. Cause like one of the most things we're proud of at all of our branches is our retention. Like the amount of second, third, fourth, fifth time customers we have is insane for it being junk. You think most of the time it's just like a one-time thing, but people call us a couple times a year and they're happy with the service and they keep calling. And that stuff really helps when it gets slow. You got your slow seasons in the winter and stuff like that. When you got repeat business, you almost never even feel it.